Greetings. Welcome to the Women's Health and Longevity channel. My name is Danett Bean. I am a doctor of Eastern medicine who specializes in women's and maternal health. And today I'm here to talk to you about a really important topic, and that is 3 ways to stay healthy during intense political times. So back in 2016, I remember seeing an uptick of certain symptoms, complaints in my patients. Some were having more difficulty sleeping. Some were just saying they were feeling more anxious. Others had like an increase of aches and pains. And I was like, what's going on? And I was like, well, it must be related to the elections because of how many people it was affecting. And so I did some research and see that there is this term called political anxiety. So I think it's important to note that even if you're someone who doesn't consider yourself to be political, that the climate of the political times and landscape can definitely affect your health and well-being. Back in 2016, there was a survey done that showed that 52% of people felt a significant amount of stress around the presidential elections, according to this particular survey. And in 2024, it's up to 69%. There was also a survey, I believe, done by the American Psychology Association that showed that 77% of United States adults that they surveyed were concerned about the future of this country. So, yeah, there's a lot going on, and we still have to really take care of our health and well-being. So without further ado, 3 tips to helping you stay healthy during intense political times. So one thing that is recommended is to consider reading your news more as opposed to just watching. Reading your news is said to allow you to be less bombarded by the images that you're seeing, and reading helps you to have a bit more control over the information that you're taking in. Number 2, I suggest that it's really important to get to do at least one thing daily that is good for your health. If you are someone who is really has your own health regimen happening and you have a schedule that you're on, or you always do certain things, great. But there are some people who are really struggling because they're on pause, waiting to see what happens to even do one thing. So I suggest doing at least one thing daily that is helpful for your health that you're doing. And as you have that consistently, then you can add on more things. So that one thing could be um, getting enough water, eating how you know you should eat, having at least one healthy meal. I really like exercise. That's a great stress reducer. And I especially like walking is great, and I especially like exercises that you are able to combine your breathing with, like I'm a big fan of Qigong. I think that's an excellent one. Yoga as well. Movements where you have to align your breath. Okay, and then the third tip is if you must be up at night, if that's your thing, and you're watching something on your screen, it's really recommended to not look at screens 1 to 2 hours before bed for optimal sleep. But if you must be up watching the screen, it's best to use some amber glasses. These help to block the blue light from your device. There are also um, screens, adhesives that you can put over your screens that will block blue light. But these are great because if you have multiple devices, or if you're looking at the TV or this or that, then you can always put these on, and that can help you to get a better night's rest, because you have to have time to really allow your body to restore itself. So if you're looking at screens past 1 to 2 hours, within 1 to 2 hours of when you will be going to sleep, consider wearing amber glasses. So those are 3 tips to help you stay healthy during intense political times. I hope you put some of these into practice, and that it is helpful to you. If at the time of the recording of this video, I am currently accepting new patients. If you are interested, you can reach out to me via my website or schedule an appointment there at drdanettbean.com. That's DRDANETTBEAN.com. Take good care. Love being a woman. See you next time.